In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and customize pop-ups, lightboxes in Wix. We'll move from adding a lightbox to customizing its look and content to saving it, and finally to finding it later if you want to make updates. I'll keep it clear and simple so you can follow along in your own editor. Start by adding a lightbox or pop-up to your site. In the Wix editor, click the plus icon in the top left to open the Add panel. Choose Layout Tools, then look for the Lightbox or Pop-ups category. The exact name can vary depending on your editor version. Browse the ready-made designs and pick one that matches your goal, whether it's a newsletter sign-up, a promotion, or an announcement. Click to add it to your site. You'll see a centered lightbox appear on the canvas, with the rest of the page dimmed by an overlay so the pop-up stands out. Next, customize the content and design so it fits your brand. Click any element inside the lightbox, text, images, or buttons, to edit it. Replace the placeholder copy with your own message, such as a clear discount or a concise call to action. Update fonts, colors, and any icons so the pop-up feels like a natural part of your site. If your lightbox includes a button, change the button text to something direct like sign up or learn more, and set the link to the correct page or action, such as your checkout or a form. Adjust the overlay color and transparency to control how much the background dims, making the pop-up either more subtle or more attention-grabbing. You can also resize or reposition the lightbox as needed and choose a gentle entry animation like a fade or slide to keep it polished. Keep the close button visible and make your message short and easy to understand for a smooth user experience. When you're happy with the look and settings, click Done to exit Lightbox editing mode and save your changes. If you want to find and edit the pop-up later, go to the Pages panel on the left side of the editor. Scroll to the Lightbox or Pop-up section and click the one you created. It will reopen on the canvas so you can adjust text, design, or button settings. Click Done again to save. That's how you create lightboxes, pop-ups in Wix. By adding a pop-up from Layout Tools, replacing the text and styling it to match your brand, and learning where to find it in the Pages panel, you can highlight important messages or offers at the right moment. Keep the design simple, on brand, and easy to close for a smooth user experience. Thanks for watching.